All right, I'm going to show you real quick how you can add multiple drip tags using a drip source tag, because with drip source tags you can actually only add one tag to the URL. So what we have to do to add multiple tags with the drip source tag is basically have a tag that we're not going to actually use in the end probably, but that will trigger an automation rule that we can then use to add the tags we want. So like, for example, I'll just call this sample 2 tags or something like that. And so what we could then do is we could go into drip and then under automation go to rules and then just create a new simple rule, and that's where I am right now. And for the trigger we're going to go apply to tag, and then we are going to choose this sample 2 tags that I determined from the URL. So what you're typing into this left box needs to match whatever the drip source tag in the URL would be. And then when they've done that, we can apply a tag. So this could be like they added to cart, and then we can apply another tag, which could be like they clicked an affiliate link. And then we can also remove a tag. So we could remove this sample 2 tags tag, and then we could save this rule and make sure that you actually publish it, or activate it rather. And so that's all you have to do. Once you've done this, what will happen is when a new user fills out a form from this URL, they will have the sample 2 tags tag added to them, and that'll process this rule. So they'll see, oh, a tag was applied, let's do this stuff. So it adds this tag, then it removes that tag. So you should be all set. Hope this helps.